Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing how to cut your fringe at home, or at least this is the way that I like doing mine. I have done these videos before, but this was a few years back and I preferred it a lot shorter back then, whereas today I'm going to go for some bangs that are kind of just on the eyebrows. So I have a comb, I have some hairdressing scissors which you can order online. I also have a bag for the hair to fall into, and you're going to need some water. So I'm going to do it a bit differently to last time. What I'm going to do is actually cut it first dry, because I have wavy hair and it springs right up after it's wet, so I tend to cut it a bit too short if I do it wet. So I'm going to give it a good trim for the moment. So I'm just going to find the hairs that kind of fall into the fringe bit, and as you can see they're pretty long now, right over the eyes. And then once you have got those bits separated, just tie the rest of the hair back and make sure that the bag or the bin, whatever's behind you, is going to fall. And of course I have a mirror just here, a little bit of an awkward position, but I do have a mirror for this. So I kind of like mine to split in the middle and obviously get longer at the edges. So what I'm going to do here is just go from the middle, kind of split it into thirds, grab this lightly, don't pull it down too far. So obviously I probably want about an inch off, so I'm just going to snip in a straight line here. You can obviously neaten it up, but it is ideal to get it quite straight as you go, so you don't have to fix too much either. Now once that's curled around, I feel like that's probably going to sit quite nicely. So then it's just time to grab these. So again, the same length, but at an angle so that it gets longer at the edges. Now I do apologise if I'm giving a hairdresser a mental breakdown right now. I've had some hate comments on my other one, and I understand that it's not nice to watch if you do this for a living, but I can't express enough. I am no professional, but I've been trimming my own fringe for years and I do not care if it's not that even, so keep your comments to yourself if you think it's horrific. Okay, so obviously that's already out of my eyes and it's a little bit kind of too straight here, so I might just go in and give that a little bit more of a trim. Okay, and then once you're kind of happy with where it's all set, I'm going to go and wash it with water and shampoo, just the fringe, and then I'm going to blow dry it how I normally do, which is with a big roller brush and quite under, so it should give it quite a curl. So I'm going to go dry it and then come back and do the rest. Okay, so now it's washed and dried. It's actually not too far off where I would want it. I've just kind of got this little bit here that's maybe a little bit too long, so I'm just going to go ahead and take the scissors. Oh, there goes the brush, and not even lift the hair, but just do it like this. And also there's this bit, so kind of, actually I'm going to put that bit behind. And this tiny end bit is just a little bit longer compared to the other one, so I'm just going to give that a nice little whip off as well. Alright. So I think I'll go a tiny bit shorter with this too. Especially in the middle. Just kind of wanted it sat on the brows. but the sides look pretty fine to me, and it kind of naturally likes to go out at the sides a bit anyway, so it's probably best if I just cut it a little bit more like that too. And then what I also like to do to make it a little bit choppier is just to go up, so just grab different parts and just chop upwards, and it kind of just thins it out a bit and makes the ends a little bit less blunt. Okay, then obviously take your hair down and see what it looks like down. For me, this is a really nice length. It's not too short, so that it looks drastic, but it just kind of gets it out the eyes and brings back that shape again, which I was missing before. Kind of let it grow out too quick and too far, so that it just was not doing anything fringy anymore. I would say let me know what you think in the comments, but don't, because yeah, I mean you can if you want, but I hope this helps someone that's looking to trim their fringe at home, because it gets so annoying when you have to it gets so annoying when it grows out so fast and you wish you could just trim it yourself quick. This is what I've been doing. Again, it's no professional advice, but it really helps me. So thank you again for watching, guys. Please subscribe and I'll see you in my next video.